Hi everyone, it's Marieta, founder of Immigration Biz and business immigration attorney. In this video, I actually want to answer your question: when is the DV Visa Lottery 2024 registration period opens up? So make sure to stay till the end and let's do it. Let's break down the question and the answer. When can I apply for DV Visa Lottery 2024? So this is frequently asked question. People ask this all the time, especially in September, because as you know, each year the DV Visa Lottery opens up typically the first week of October and will conclude first week of November, right? And this is the only time when you can actually apply for DV Visa Lottery, and therefore if you are someone who is interested in actually submitting your entry in DV Visa Lottery 2024, you definitely don't want to miss these dates. Now, I don't know yet the dates, but as I mentioned before, usually the government is going to announce the date sometime in September. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because I will be sharing updates when this lottery will open up. So you want to definitely subscribe, because I'm always updating people on when the lottery opens up and how you can register, including the tutorial how you can register. So I do also have a program which is entire tutorial how you basically register for DV Visa Lottery. It is for discounted price if you need help. But I also have a bunch of different videos on this topic, so you want to actually check them out. I'm going to link here the playlist for you, because you will learn everything you need to know. And what is very important is not to hire any agency to apply for you. Now, there are actually these different agencies that are pretending to be government of the United States. They are charging $100 plus, and they're promising that they will increase your chances to win. And that is not true. You cannot really win any other way except by registering through the official website. And again, I will be linking the official website below in this video. And if you need, definitely, like I said, check out that tutorial I have, or check out my other videos, because you don't need to hire anybody. Actually, my opinion is, if you do hire someone who is promising you results that you will win, for example, you will be selected, it's usually a scam. Why? Because these people will maybe gather the information from you for the charge, and then they will apply on your behalf when the lottery opens up. Again, this is typically starting first week of October this year, 2022, will conclude first week of November 2022, and it is called DV Visa Lottery 2024. That's because of the fiscal year 2024. You have to actually register in advance to be able to immigrate if you are selected. Therefore, the name confusion, right? People ask me, why is it called 2024 if I'm actually applying in 2022? Because you are talking about the fiscal year where you will be able to actually immigrate to the United States if provided that you are selected. So keep that in mind. Don't pay anybody, don't hire anybody, do it yourself. You want to make sure you're doing everything on your own. And in the next video that I have, I will be actually talking about how you can prepare for DV Visa Lottery 2024 in advance, and what you need to know, how you can actually increase your chances. This is just very simple tips, but still, there are people who make these mistakes, so you definitely want to stay tuned for the next video. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.